In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new member to your family group on Gmail. Adding a new member to your group can be incredibly beneficial, allowing them to share in your Google Play apps, storage, and more. It's a simple process once you get the hang of it. So, let's dive into the step-by-step instructions on how to do it. First, you'll need to navigate to the website families.google.com. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and typing the address into the search bar. This site is essentially your command center for managing your Google Family group. Once the page loads, you will need to sign in with your Gmail account. It is absolutely crucial that you sign in with the account that manages your family group. This is the account that has administrative control over the family settings and can send out invitations. If you are not logged in yet, there will be a prompt on the screen to enter your email and password. Just go through that process as you normally would when signing into any Google service. After you have successfully signed in, look for an option that says Send Invitations. This will be the next step in adding someone new. When you click on Send Invitations, a new field will appear. In this field, you need to enter the Gmail address of the person you want to add to your family group. It's important here to double check the email address to ensure there are no typos, as the invite will be sent here. Once you've entered the correct email address, you're almost done. The next step is to click Send. Clicking this button will send an email invite to the person at the Gmail address you've specified. This step is straightforward but very important. The person you invited will receive an email in their inbox with the invitation to join your family group. Finally, once the person receives the invite, it's essential that they open the email and accept your invitation. There will be a button or a link in the email that they need to click to confirm their acceptance. Once they've done this, they are officially part of your family group and will have access to any shared resources your group offers. And there you have it, a thorough walkthrough of adding a new member to your Gmail family group. Following these steps, you should have no problem bringing new members on board. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.